Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I want to show you how to share files to iPhone using this device. So on your OnePlus 15 device you want to select the file. I will use my photos for example. Now let's suppose that I want to share this photo. And now I want to tap share icon in the bottom left corner of my screen, and now from the list of options I want to go to iPhone option. Now on your iPhone let's go to App Store and you want to search and download this application that is called Oplus Connect. Sorry, not this one. It looks like this. I have already downloaded this application, so I will simply open it, and then you have to provide necessary permissions on your iPhone, some kind of notifications access and location access, so do that. And now on your OnePlus 15 you have to select the device that appears on your screen. For some reason it tells an iPad instead of iPhone, but whatever, let's tap iPad. And now on your iPhone you want to accept this file, wait until the transfer is done. And now if we go to our photos, you can see here this photo that I have just transferred from my OnePlus 15 device. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.